guys, welcome back to my channel, Unique World. And if you are new, please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I'm going to be showing you how I do my distress butterfly locks. And I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways, because there's 4 different ways that you can do these. The first one I should share is the Janet Nala package. It actually comes in already wrapped, and all you have to do is just use your crochet needle and crochet it into your braids. I decided not to do that option only because for one package it comes with 10. So I wasn't sure how big I wanted my parts to be, and I wasn't sure how many I would need, but I wasn't really fond of just, you know, buying a pack with only like 10 crochets in a package. So I decided to do the wrap method, and there's 3 ways that I know that you can do in the wrap method. Next, I should show you the items that you're going to need. I got this hair from Amazon, and they actually come in a pack of 7. And the needle that I'm using actually came with the package as a gift, so that was nice. So this is how it looks when you get it out of the package. Okay, so the first, with the wrapping method, I'm going to show you how I do it my way. Go ahead and part my hair. I did square braids in the back, and I did triangle parts in the front. Just gonna go ahead and part my hair. I'm going to get my jam. And if you already know how to do like braids, then this method will help you out. But if you don't, then I can show you the second method next. So I have this hair left over, and it does have burgundy in it. But I had these when I did the box braids, and I'll put that in the description above. I'm going to use this braiding hair to make my hair longer, because I want longer length for my locks. And I know a lot of people use their regular hair length, and that's fine if you like the length of your hair. So it would be a lot easier, because you wouldn't need any braiding hair. All you would have to do is just braid your hair and then wrap it. But let me go ahead and get a piece out. You can use braiding hair. Some people use the Marley hair. So it's really up to you. I'm gonna get this amount. And even if you don't have a tight grip, I can show you how to make the hair tighter from the roots. So what you're gonna do is like this, and I hope you guys can see it, because I really won't know until I edit. So hope you guys can see how I'm gripping my hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and braid it. And you don't have to braid it too far down. It's not gonna matter. But I'm just gonna just braid it down just like right here. I'm just gonna stop it right here. Okay, you see how it's kind of like loose? So what you can do is split your hair in half like this, then down at the bottom, and then down at the bottom. So now it looks like this. You're gonna get a small portion of it like this and put it right here. That's how you would normally wrap it if this was tight. Because this is not tight, what you can do is grab some gel and then twist it like you are twisting your hair like you have dreads. So now it's tight because I just twisted it. Then you're going to get the short piece of hair, and this is without the crochet method. So I'm doing this without the crochet method. And this is how I'm doing my entire head. So you got the small piece right here, and then the long piece right here. And then you're gonna wrap it around to where your roots are at. And you're gonna do it for about 4 or 5 times, depending on how tight it is. And then you're going to go ahead and you can just throw it on over like this. Just throw it on over. Nothing too big. Now, if you've seen other tutorials, you have some girls that use the thumb method where they have their thumb right here and then they put it over here, and then it gives you a distressed look. But you really don't need to do that if you're not comfortable using your thumb. You see how it has that loop? If you're not comfortable using your thumb, you can actually just keep throwing it over. You could pinch it, throw it over, and just move it down. And you can see that's already giving you a distressed look and also that loop as well. So you don't even have to use the thumb method. And then you're just gonna go all the way around. And note, I ordered the 19-inch. So you can order as how much length you want to order. But just know that, like with me, I would have to use another piece, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. And then, you can always do this to make it, not as frizzy. So because I have this much left, but I want to make it like this length, I would just go ahead and grab another one and do it like you did it before when you did it at the roots right there. Hold it, and now you're just gonna wrap it again. So this is really, 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 really simple. Meaning to do this look for the longest, but I've had my hair strained for a while, so I'm just ready to give my hair a break from being strained. And don't worry if you miss a part that's supposed to be wrapped around or whatever and it's not wrapped, then don't worry about it. You can always just get another separate piece and wrap it around that. Okay, so this is about the length that I wanted, and now I'm just gonna wrap up. wraps around. You don't have to do anything extra at the end. It just stays. I guess because of the pattern of the hair, it allows it to just stay. And so you see I have this piece at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my scissors and cut that part off, because I want my hair to stop right there. And I do, sometimes I keep this part at the end, but you can always wrap it if you want it, or if you don't want it to be curly. But I think it's cute with the curly ends. But this is it, and then you just do it like this at the end, and that's one lock. All of them are going to be different, as you can see. And you see, like, I got this hanging out. Some people keep it out. I'm just gonna wrap it around. But if you miss any spots, like I got a missed spot right here, all I'm gonna do is just gonna get a piece, and you can just cut it. All I'm gonna do is get a piece of hair, get this part, and wrap it around. And just wrap it till I can't wrap it no more. Now that piece is no longer showing. The other method is using the crochet needle. Let's say you already know how to braid your hair, a piece of braiding hair. I'm still gonna go ahead and braid my hair, but you have to make sure you don't braid it too tight, because the crochet needle is gonna go inside of the braid. You're gonna get your crochet needle and you're gonna stick it inside of the braid, just like that. Your already stretched out hair. Put this part inside of the loop or the hook. You're gonna close the latch. You're gonna pull it out. Baby hair inside of the hook, and you're going to do it as before. I guess it gives you that security, the reason why people use the crochet method, but you're going to do it as I showed you how I did first option before. So I'm just going to grab it, and then I'm going to wrap it around tight. See where I missed any at, and I'm gonna start right there, and I'm just gonna loop it around. Now you just add another piece, and this actually doesn't take long at first, the feel of it, so it's gonna seem like it's taking you a minute, but once you start doing it and get the hang of it, then it will become a lot easier. Now I'm going to show you the last method for the people that don't really know how to braid, and it's using the crochet method. Put my hands together. Last method that I'm going to show you, I'm just going to braid my hair, and try not to braid too tight to your roots, because you're going to need the crochet needle to go through. Now you got your crochet needle. Make sure that it's open. Now you're gonna put this through the loop down, and you're gonna pull it through just like that. Now you got 3 pieces. Now you're just gonna braid. Or you can do it the lazy way like I do it and just get your piece of hair without using the crochet needle. I'm just gonna wrap it tight. Yeah, but that is it. And now I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair. Okay, so I am completely done with my butterfly distress locks. And I really, really like it. I can just tell you that with these locks, it's a lot of flexibility to it, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So if you're not a good braider, you can do this. If you're not a good, good at parting your hair, this will be good too. So overall, I really, really like this hairstyle. Just let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, but definitely easy to do. So I guess let me turn around so you can see. Oh, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel, Unique World, and definitely make sure to subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Until next time. Peace.